Double-hung windows are one of the most popular window styles in Washington homes. Their timeless design, ease of use, and ability to provide excellent ventilation make them a favorite for homeowners across the region. But with Washington's varied climate, ranging from rainy, windy winters to warm, sunny summers, keeping your windows in top condition requires regular maintenance. Proper care not only extends the life of your windows but also ensures they remain energy efficient and visually appealing year-round. Here's a seasonal guide to maintaining your double-hung windows in Washington. Spring. Clean and inspect after winter. Winter in Washington often brings heavy rains, chilly winds, and even snow in some areas. As spring arrives, it's the perfect time to give your windows a fresh start. Clean the glass. Use a gentle, non-abrasive cleaner to remove winter grime. Wash both interior and exterior surfaces for clear, streak-free views. Check weather stripping. Inspect seals around your double-hung windows for any cracking or wear caused by cold weather. Replace as needed to prevent spring drafts. Inspect frames. Wooden frames may show signs of swelling or paint damage. Light sanding and a fresh coat of paint or sealant can protect against further wear. Spring cleaning ensures your windows look great and are ready for warmer days ahead. Summer. Maximize ventilation and protect against heat. Summers in Washington are warm and often dry, making your double-hung windows especially useful for natural airflow. But a few maintenance steps will help them function their best. Operate both sashes. Double-hung windows allow you to open both the top and bottom sash. Use this feature to promote cross-ventilation while keeping cool air flowing in and warm air moving out. Check screens. Make sure window screens are free of tears and fit snugly. Screens not only let in fresh air but also keep out bugs. UV protection. Consider applying a UV protective film or using blinds and curtains to reduce fading of indoor furnishings during sunny months. Taking these steps ensures your windows work efficiently while protecting your home from summer heat and sun exposure. Fall. Prepare for cooler weather as temperatures drop. It's important to get your windows ready for Washington's rainy, windy fall season. Lubricate moving parts. Use a silicone-based lubricant on window tracks and locks to ensure smooth operation. Seal gaps. Check around the frame for small gaps or cracks that could let in cold air or moisture. Caulking these areas helps improve energy efficiency. Check locks and latches. Make sure all hardware is working properly. Secure locks improve insulation and add a layer of safety as stormier weather approaches. By preparing in the fall, you'll keep your home warmer and reduce strain on your heating system. Winter. Protect against rain, wind, and cold. Washington winters can be wet and blustery, so keeping your double-hung windows sealed tight is crucial. Monitor for drafts. Hold a candle near the window edges on a windy day. If the flame flickers, reseal weather stripping or add insulation film. Control condensation. Wipe away moisture to prevent mold and damage to window frames. Using a dehumidifier can also help. Avoid overuse. While ventilation is valuable, minimize how often you open windows during winter to keep your home warm and reduce wear on seals. Proper winter maintenance ensures your windows stand up to harsh conditions and protect your home. Year-round best practices. Regular cleaning. Keep tracks and sashes free of dirt and debris for smooth operation. Routine inspections. Check for damage to glass, frames, and hardware at least twice a year. Professional checkups. Every few years, consider having a window professional inspect your double-hung windows for long-term performance. Final thoughts. Double-hung windows are a versatile and beautiful choice for Washington homes, but they perform best with regular care tailored to the seasons. By cleaning in spring, maximizing airflow in summer, sealing in fall, and protecting in winter, you'll keep your windows energy efficient, secure, and looking great all year. For homeowners in Washington, Maintaining your double-hung windows isn't just about preservation, it's about enhancing comfort, reducing energy costs, and enjoying the full benefits of this classic window style through every season.